Hey, this is site123.com. This is a quite easy to manage, very friendly CMS to create your websites. And it's very cool and it's very easy to use. And the way to add your WhatsApp widget to this platform, let's go to the dashboard because you don't do it from the editor itself. You need to go to settings, and here, or I think it's advanced, no, domain settings, yes, plugins and custom code. When you go to custom code, you can edit, of course, and here is where you can add your WhatsApp widget. So that's it. It's very easy to manage. To create, or to, well, better, to add custom code, you need to have a premium plan. You need to have a premium version of site123. So this is not in the free version. This is something you need to upgrade to access to this part of the platform. Everything else is free. You can create a free website. You can create, you can manage free content, and you can manage a free website. But if you want to have plugins and custom code, you need to access this premium plan. Once you are there, you can add your widget, your WhatsApp widget in your website. So this is very easy to manage. This is the website. The website looks fantastic, and here you have your widget. This can be a a simple click to chat, and this is the way to use it. So very nice CMS, very nice tool, and very easy to use platform to get your website up and running and to include your WhatsApp widget. Okay, so hope you like it. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.